What's up, superstars? Back with another video. You got Superstar Rob, and you got Superstar Nation. How you guys doing? Guys, if you haven't already, do not forget, become a superstar. Smash the subscribe button, join the Superstar fam, hit the bell notification button to get every single video every single day. We do not miss. You know we're going to be here day in, day out. Also, Superstar VIP. It's $2.99 a month. You can start beside your name, master spreadsheets, and giveaways as well. It's a Superstar utility program. We're giving away stars every single month for a potential chance to win some free things. We're a digital channel. So you can get this hat, you can get a t-shirt, or maybe you get some pretty cool NFTs from some of our favorite platforms. Also, if you check out either on X, Instagram, or Discord, you can reach out to us. We love to communicate with the community, so make sure you reach out to us. We want to have a discussion with you. Also on Discord, join the Walmart of all Discords, which is the Superstar Money Discord. In there, it's very important you join for giveaways. Because we have our Starboy project where you gotta have the Discord in order to verify your Starboy to have a chance at winning 1 million OMI. You also can join the rest of Superstar Nation and have amazing discussions with very, very intelligent, amazing people. And then, of course, the Superstar Utility Program. We're gonna do a draw at the end of the month. And if you guys use our Cryptoys link below, you have to let us know in the Superstar Utility Program chat, and I will assign you stars. So at the end of the month, you have a chance to win. You can also buy a Superstar Money hat or become a VIP. Get different stars depending on where you are and your ranking and how long you've been a VIP member for. So we're very excited about Who Wants to Be a Millionaire contest. We're giving away 1 million OMI. Fantastic entry so far. You have an opportunity to see where all the superstars are. Superstars are worldwide. They're worldwide. You find superstars everywhere. So very, very happy to have that competition going on right now. So make sure you go, you take a photo with your Cryptoys, you go and you post it in that verified Discord chat. So go on Discord, download it. A lot of people are reaching out to me about it, but you got to go and you got to verify on the Discord. So guys, today, we're not going to do too much news today. Today's a Cryptoys day, okay? We have been so excited about Cryptoys from the day they announced that they're going to have the Star Wars drop. Why? Because it was signifying that there is a new kid in town. Okay, before Cryptoys, there was only one other place that you can get officially licensed Disney Star Wars IP. And today they finally dropped the official Disney Mickey and Friends collectibles. It's the only other digital collectibles that we can get. But don't forget that these are more than just a collectible. They also are a toy. They are fully animated. They are fully rigged with a skeleton so that they can be gamified. And it really is groundbreaking to see that Disney has now chosen another company to offer their incredibly sought-after IP. And obviously, they trust Cryptoys to do an amazing job with their work. And man, oh man, I got to tell you, it is truly, truly an experience. Okay, I just joined a live stream right now with Cryptoys. It's crazy how many cubes we unboxed. We unboxed so many cubes. It was such an amazing time. And what makes it even better, makes the deal even sweeter, is that they are doubling down on the BOGO, buy one, get one, where if you buy anything between now and I believe it is Sunday at 11:59, okay, so Sunday, September 24th at 11:59 p.m., you will have a buy one, get one for free. So really, if you're going to buy this drop, there is no better time than to buy the drop right now. And this is Cryptoys listening to the communities. I believe that the BOGO was an amazing success for Cryptoys. I know, though, that there were some members of the community that were upset because they had spent quite a bit of their money in order to try to get the soft set for Yoda or the full set for Yoda. And sure enough, once you provide a BOGO deal, you have a lot more people now getting that Yoda. So it makes it a little bit less scarce, a little bit easier to get. And those people felt a bit turned off that they didn't have that same opportunity. So in order to please the community and make everybody as happy as they can be, they provided the BOGO deal right from the onset. So the early users would be rewarded for being here now. It also brings in lots of new users. A lot of people who may have not wanted to buy a Cryptoy before because maybe there's no marketplace. They want to see it develop a little bit more. Once they hear that there's a buy one, get one free deal, that changes things. Maybe they'll go in a little bit earlier and start getting some signups now. So I think it's an extremely effective strategy, marketing strategy, sales strategy, and as a community member, I'm all for this. I love the buy one, get one, and I think that placing it at the beginning of the drop is definitely the way to take the feedback from the previous deal and do it in such a way that you'll make many people happy. Now, with that being said, I don't believe that they're locked in. I think they could do this again if they wanted to, because they could always say, hey, we already provided it once before, and maybe as this drop matures and sells, it may be an effective use to do it again later down the line, months down the line, to bring in some more new users as the space continues to develop. So if you're going to buy, make sure you buy this week. You get buy one, get one free, and you can double down on the utility, because down below if you use our affiliate link and then you go in the Discord and tell us how many you purchased, I'm going to assign you stars so you could potentially win something at the end of the month. And it's compounding utility. An example is we gave away a Bane, a McFarlane Bane NFT as part of the Superstar Utility Program. And sure enough, if you have that Bane, you actually have an opportunity now to get the Batmobile on the McFarlane platform for a 50% discount. So it's just an example of the benefits that we're providing here on this channel to try to give back to the community the best that we can. If you're going to buy anyways, you might as well just use our link, so at least you have a chance at something. If you go through the normal platform, unfortunately, you will not have any kind of additional bonuses. But again, if you're going to buy anyways, you might as well just use the link. And thank you all so much for supporting our channel, for doing so. So yeah, we joined the Cryptoys live stream. It was 2 hours long, crazy live stream. I just wanted to let everybody know we did pull and unbox, a Grail Mickey. In my opinion, the Grail, even though it's not the Superstar Money one, which is the rare line, the Grail has really won my heart. You could just tell the difficulty of making this on the art team must have been, very time consuming, very difficult, it had to be very well planned. They probably went through a lot of iterations on this one. They created a true crystal looking digital toy. And we are very happy to have this in our collection. I think that when you could finally bring this onto the block, it's going to look really nice running around with the lighting that they can have. So that's pretty cool. We talked a lot about the background, the unboxing experience. You can see this is supposed to represent Toontown. You got the hearts for Minnie's house here. It's actually a burger stand back there. You can't really see it. There's a burger stand back there. On the left side, you got supposed to be kind of Mickey's house. You got Pluto's little doghouse there. So it's very, very cool. We've got mint number 243, so we're super happy to have this. If you take a look at the collection, we also pulled on this live stream a common Mickey. We pulled a Pluto, a rare Pluto, and we had a Minnie Mouse. So if you guys want a reminder, you can see that there's three. You got the commons. There's a 40% chance of the commons. So you got Mickey, you got Minnie, and you got Pluto. So this is kind of the traditional look here. Then scarcity is 30% for the rare. This is the Superstar Money line. You could see that it's all the nice cotton candy, pink, blues. So very, very beautiful a line. We want to complete the set, and hopefully we do as we continue to open up boxes. You have the legendary line, 20% chance here. These ones here are going to look cool on the block because you got to turn the lights off, maybe glow in the dark a little bit. So I think when they actually have their full effect of that kind of like dark room, glow in the dark, I think it'll be pretty cool. And Crypto's can have some fun with this. Maybe there'll be some games that you got to use the glow in the dark character because you got to be able to see. I don't know. I think that'd be pretty cool. Also, I also like how Minnie has the hearts on her shoes. Take a look at this. I think that's a very nice touch. And also the red Mickey with the lines is pretty cool as well. Then the Grails. This to me, it takes the cake. This is great. I really, really love this line. You got the Minnie here, which is pretty cool. You got the Pluto, which is very cool, and of course the Mickey, which we have. Crazy that DB Crypto on the stream got 3 Grails. He finished the whole Grail set on stream in those 2 hours. I gotta say, that is incredible. The Juju was with him on that day. Also, shout out Superstar Bones because he ended up winning one of these Grails. Will, the first one that he opened up was a Grail, and he gave it away, and Bones got it. So great for him. And then, of course, the Ultra Grail. This is the big ticket item here, 1% chance. You can see that this is kind of like that Starlight rarity. I think is going to be crazy. I think it's animated in some senses. I haven't seen one, but while they were doing the live stream, they actually had at least 3 or 4 guys pull this Ultra Grail. So it would have been hype if one of us pulled this Ultra Grail, but very cool. Also, guys, we have a probability spreadsheet, which is accessible to everybody in the link below. And I haven't done it for specifically Disney yet, but the Star Wars rarities are identical. So you can actually use this, these percentages to help decide. Actually, I should probably just get rid of these for now because they're no longer applicable. But let me zoom in here. Hold on. Let's go in a little bit closer so you guys can see. Yeah, so you can see 1% Grail, 9%, 1% Ultra Grail, 9% Grail, 20% Legendary, 30% Rare, 40% Common. So this is why the buy one get one free is so useful, because like let's say you want a Grail, right? So you can kind of figure out, like, it's no surprise to me at all that we opened up at least one Grail. I think there was maybe 4 picked on the stream, because as you can see at 9%, we opened way more than 20. But if you open 20 cubes using binomial probability formulas, okay, you guys can go research that if you want, you got an 84% chance at getting at least one Grail, right? So we probably opened on that stream, I don't know, like 60 of them. So if we opened 60 of them, we actually had okay odds at least somebody opening an Ultra Grail. Maybe it was a little bit less, maybe probably closer to like 40. But either way, we had pretty good odds at getting a Grail, 97% chance, and pretty much guaranteed chances on the common and the rares, and at 99.98, you're pretty much guaranteed as well, statistically, on the legendary. So it's no surprise that a few Grails popped up. But we also had a decent chance, 30% chance at least one Ultra Grail. Didn't happen. It wasn't our day, but that's okay. I'm sure as more and more cubes open up and more live streams are done, it wouldn't surprise me that as more, like, we might get some people live streaming Ultra Grail pulls. We saw it with Dino on the Star Wars drop. So I don't know, guys. This is an exciting time. Like I just can't get over how Cryptoys. Like let me pull myself big face here. It is absolutely groundbreaking. It is truly breaking news that Cryptoys has the Disney license and they are able to provide us with digital toys, and they're doing it differently. They don't care about mint sizes. They are making it as plentiful as possible, so as many people as possible can get this in their hands, because the intention of these toys is to be played with, right? They're being built from day one with the intent to play. This also includes mixing and matching accessories and items. We know that, for example, the watering can on Mini, that's going to be its own item. It's going to be backed by its own NFT, right? We know that the fishing rod for Mini is going to be its own item. So you got this whole like wider big picture project going on where you have, Cryptoys backed with Mattel investment is going to be developing probably one of the greatest blend of IP and NFT gamification that we've ever seen. So we're just excited to see where this is going to go. These are digital toys. They're designed to be played with. Thing is, there's no gamification yet. So we got to wait for that gamification. There's no marketplace yet. So if you do want to buy one of these, you can't. You got to go through you have to buy the cubes and you have to open cubes and hope for the best. And there's these things that they're building, and it can't be done overnight, but with the confidence in this team, these guys deliver, right? They deliver. When they say something, they have shown that they're able to deliver. So we're going to continue to watch them extremely closely. We are their ambassadors. We've believed in them a long time before we became their ambassadors, and they continue to impress us. They just keep delivering amazing product, and you can tell from their unboxing experience that they value quality. They value details. They value the story, and ultimately they value the community. And that's why they listened to the community when it came to this Bogo deal. That's why they have the unboxing experience they have. That's why the quality of these collectibles, which in my opinion, as nice as they are, I don't even think we fully even understand how nice they really are going to be until we get them in the block. We haven't even seen these things in the block yet. We haven't even seen these things in games yet. So there's still a long way to go between where we are right now to where we need to be to really see the platform function the way that it's designed to function. And we're early. And I really think that as they continue to do more drops, because they've already done Star Wars and Disney, Mickey and Friends. So I don't know, dare I say Marvel? Again, speculation, I don't know for sure, but makes sense, right? Or what other IP they may have. Mattel's very deeply rooted in that company. So what other Mattel? We've only seen Motu. What other Mattel brands may we see on this platform? And then don't forget they have their own ZUFO brand. Their ZUFO brand is insane. Like they're gonna have like AI integration. They're gonna have AR integration. There's a mobile app coming for that stuff. Like there's just so much stuff going on at one time, and we're just at the beginning. So I tell this to everybody, like Joe and I, we don't just go all in right away. We've been buying every month. We're gonna max mint again right now. We max minted last week. We don't go in and we just put it all in one shot. We spread it out over time because that way we can use them. We unbox them on opening streams. Whether you want to, you don't have to financially support this project. You don't have to financially purchase anything to support this project. You have to just respect this project for what it is. See a lot of chatter on Twitter about Cryptoys and decisions made with the Bogo and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, these guys are for real. They're a legitimate team. They run and operate like a big company. They are an American based team. They're it's like an American company. They're a well-oiled machine. You can't just go in there and do whatever you want. They got engineering tickets. They have an executive level team with experience. So there's just a lot about Cryptoys that excites me. And I'm just disappointed that, sometimes people say, well, you're an ambassador, you're biased. Well, no, I believe this. You can go the first 13 videos we made on this channel. We weren't ambassadors, and those were our true thoughts. The ambassador program didn't even exist. And nothing's changed. That's the thing. Nothing's changed from those videos that we started making back in May. The team is delivering on their roadmap. And this is what we love to see, that delivering on the roadmap. So, yeah, this has been an incredible, incredible drop. Very amazing day for Cryptoys. Amazing day for me because now I get this amazing unboxing. I can go watch Ahsoka Tano there, right? With Ahsoka on Disney Plus. So there's a new episode every Tuesday, right? So it's just fun times right now. The space is heating up. Just a different space than I remembered last year at this time. If you go back September a year ago, the space did not look like what it looks like right now. It doesn't feel like it when you go month to month, but if you go back snapshot to September 19th last year, this is a different space right now, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen another year from now. And we just continue moving into the future. Just changes are happening constantly, and Cryptoys is proving that they are a serious player in this game. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. What do you guys think about this bombshell announcement? We got Mickey and Friends being dropped on Cryptoys. Make sure you guys use our ambassador link if you want to support the channel. If you're buying anyways, you might as well just use it. But do not forget, I got to make you work a little bit, okay? You need to go on Discord and let me know, okay? Superstar Utility Program. I will refer you. If you jump in, you just go to any chat and say, hey, Superstar Rob, where do I put this? I will show you where to put this so that you get all the stars that you deserve. So guys, before you head out, if you haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar, smash subscribe button, join the Superstar family, hit the bell notifications, get every single video, every single day. And also thank you to our Superstar VIPs, end of month special giveaway for a star in the universe. Join Superstar Cancellation, starnewbie.com. So that's pretty amazing. Thank you to all our supporters, all our VIPs. Guys, take care, and we'll see you next one. Bye-bye.